rather watch me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hello guys, good morning to one and all, and welcome back to another new vlog today. Mango, which is a king of fruits, or one of the most widely consumed fruits also, I can say. Very sweet, creamy in taste, contains more than 20 vitamins and minerals, helps in digestion, boosts immunity, promotes your health. And here I just started preparing the green tea, and mangoes I've just shown you. Today I have a plan of having mangoes. Today, as usual, I woke up very late and it's time to have the green tea. If you believe it or not, it's 10 o'clock now, and of course it's very late, so I have a plan of drinking green tea, and immediately I'm gonna prepare for lunch. These mangoes are very tasty and creamy, guys, and particularly in this season, definitely we love to have this. And who are really not having, please try to have it. You will be gaining many more health benefits. So today I'm preparing coriander chutney. So are you guys ready to watch? It's very healthy, guys. Please follow the recipe. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. And add 1 tablespoon of black gram seeds. 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let it fry for some time. And as per your taste, you just add the red chilies. We need it very spicy, so I'm adding it more. Once the red chilies got fried, we need to add the onion. Here I'm adding 1 big size onion. And 1/4 cup of fresh coconut. One knob of garlic. Saute well. Coriander is the must-have ingredient, powerhouse of nutrients only, we can say, guys. So try to prepare this at least once in a week. Now I'm gonna add 2 small-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Now give a nice mix to it. This coriander chutney or coriander leaves boosts your overall health with our vitamins and minerals, supplements, promotes health vision, manage diabetes symptoms. It is a great remedy for stomach problems. Now here I just washed the coriander leaves and chopped finely and gonna add with the stems. Now here I just added 1 big bowl of coriander leaves, and can you just observe how it is gonna reduce the size or a quantity? So after 5 minutes, this is how it is, guys. So it is almost done. Now we need to cool down this, and then we're gonna add it for the mixie jar. Add 1/4 cup of soaked tamarind over here and give a nice mix to it. So this got cooled down, guys. Now I'm gonna add this mixture to the mixie jar and gonna make a fine paste. If you want, you can add a 1/4 glass of water if it requires. So fine paste is ready. Now let's start the tempering part. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up and add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of black gram seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Asafoetida is must, guys. Please add pinch of asafoetida over here. Let it fry for some time. After few minutes, please add this tempering part to the coriander chutney and give a nice mix to it. That's it, guys. Our coriander chutney is ready. Very healthy recipe is front of you guys. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section how really felt about the taste. And here it's a mango time. Let's have the mangoes. My mouth is watering, guys. Can you see the color of the mango? Wow, it is awesome. Can you see the bullhorn, guys? They've decorated with the god and they're asking for the money. They are constructing the temple, it seems, somewhere. So we just gave how much ever possible from our side, and to see it is so beautiful. We just been to our relative's house. There they have 2 puppies, which is Rottweiler. One is male and one is female, and they were really enjoying with my son. Usually I heard that puppies love to play with kids, and that is what happening over there. You guys also watch it and enjoy. That's all for today's fun. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.